Hey everybody, what's up? It's your girl ChineyK and welcome to another daily vlog. Now just an update on Wiggles. Many persons wanted to know. Today is the day Wiggles is going to get spaded. She's gonna get her hoo-ha taken out. Maybe not really. Don't even know how they do it, but basically that's the point. She already had a litter and since then her body really hasn't bounced back, and today I'm taking her to get spaded. Now some of you guys know that I'm kind of allergic to Wiggles. So yeah, here you go. She's been hanging out with me since last night and this morning, and I am an absolute mess. Come here. I am an absolute mess. Allergic to Wiggles literally from day one. But anyways, here we go.
A few moments later.
All right, just got to JSPCA. You ready, Wiggles? I don't think she's ready. Say hi to everyone. Say hi. She's not ready. Check out my eyes. Like, seriously. All effed up. I think at this point she knows what's exactly going to happen. Are you ready, Pumpkin? Get that hoo-ha taken out? The guy just gave me a carrier. Says put her in there. He has an African accent. He said, bring her to me. I said, all right then, I'm bringing her to you. All right, there she goes. Oh shit, Wiggles, you're kind of heavy. Wiggles to surgery. Come on, Wiggles, let's go. The guy said, bring her to me. Here she is. Here's the hell. So what do I do now?
You go and wait for us to call you.
Okay, thank you.
When the church is done.
Okay.
Give you a call.
Alright. Oh my god. My Wiggles. My Wiggles is gone. Wiggles is gone. Alright, so now that's taken care of, let's go do something else with my day.
6.5 hours later.
All right, hey guys, so I picked up Wiggles from the JSPCA. Like I said, I dropped her off this morning and I go like, hi, hey, hello, I'm here to pick up Wiggles. And they go, oh yeah, Wiggles. She looks at the paper and she's like, yeah, Wiggles, she was pregnant. And I said, what? Like, I felt my knees buckling and I was just like, if she should have seen my face, because I had the mask, and if she could have seen my face, I was like, pregnant. I said, what do you mean by pregnant? She's like, yeah, Wiggles was pregnant, so there'll be an extra $6,000. I was like, pregnant again? I said, oh my gosh, Wiggles. She was like, you didn't know? I was like, no, I didn't know. Like, how am I supposed to know? She's like, yeah, she was pregnant again. And like, even when they're breastfeeding, they could still get pregnant. I'm like, Wiggles, the kittens are still kittens. So like, WTF, you know what I mean? And I was like, okay then. I was like, so what did you, like, did you not do the surgery? Like, what'd you do? They were like, I'm like, so you gave her an abortion? And they gave Wiggles an abortion. I've never been so stressed out, like, in my life over a cat before, but I love her dearly. But she is super groggy right now. She's in my lap. Like, look at her. Like, literally, look at Wiggles. Is she breathing? She's sleeping, but that's what she looks like right now. But Wiggles is pregnant. And, well, Wiggles was pregnant. And moving forward, she won't be able to have any more kids, thank God. Because my dad was like, I'm not going to have any more kids running around the house. So I'm like, all right, cool, whatever. So there goes your Wiggles update. For more of these kind of vlogs, let me know. Put it in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what kind of content you'd like to see. If you're watching this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna love you and leave you. Say bye to Wiggles. She can't say bye back. Bye.